YouTube, this is Kazarem Setso, and today we are going to learn how to make a countdown timer using a free preset provided by Studio Blue. How? First, go here and right click and create a new text layer. Then while the text layer is selected, go to animation, then apply animation preset. And go ahead and pick Counter Pro. And if you are wondering where I got this from, I will add the link in the description. Thankfully, it's provided by Studio Blue for free. Click open and it will load the preset right away. Go to timer, enable the timer, and notice that it's right here. I will make it bigger for you. Then go to start time and pick the timing you wanna count down. I want around 20 minutes or so. Then go to configuration. I want the speed around 100. Then click on countdown. If we preview, it's that simple. That's it.
Make 'em spicy.
If you like this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.